Hey guys, Conic sections, sheet 5. Draw a parabola having F as its focus and having points P and Q as points on the curve, and then draw the lattice rectum. So F being the focal point of the parabola, P and Q being 2 points on the curve. Once again, we'll start this question same way as we've started a few of these. The eccentricity of a parabola is equal to 1. The ratio of point to focus over point directrix is 1 over 1. So the distance from any point in the curve to the focus is the very same as any point, that same point to the directrix. So the ratio of point Q to the focus will give us a directrix. And the ratio of point P to the focus will give us also, if we spin that distance, will give us a directrix. So I know now that I can just take my set square and lay the directrix in, touching both curves. While that set square is laid down there, I might just slide it back ever so slightly, so it's still parallel, and I'll get my second set square and run off my axis going through the focal point. And the axis, of course, always being 90 degrees to the directrix. What I've just set up there is I've set up the ratio. I've set up a point in the curve to the focus being the very same distance as that same point to the directrix. This point to the focus being the very same as point to directrix. My directrix then touching the outside of each curve and being tangential to both curves without the need of any constructions for that. Finally, my axis being at 90 degrees to the directrix through the focal point. Draw the lattice rectum. So any ordinates that we want to draw for this are going to be at 90 degrees to the axis. I just set up the angle of the axis here with my sliding set squares and slide down through. There's the lattice rectum. But the correct lattice rectum has to be the correct length, so let's get that done. The distance from the focal point to the point onto the directrix and up from the focal. So there's the lattice rectum right there. 2 points found, and I might just heavy in that line. That is the lattice rectum. And the reason it is, these 2 points I just found, well, the distance from the point to the focus and point to the directrix is going to be the same. Sorry if I put my compass down accurately. From point to focus and point to directrix is equal. And again, from point to focus and point to the directrix is equal. So 2 points found on the curve. If we want to finish this curve, we can bisect from focus to directrix, find the vertex, add in some extra ordinates, and use our method to find the rest of the points on the curve. That's Conic's sheet 5.